Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our gorgeous channel. My name is Cassandra. If this is the first time that you visit my channel, I'm here to share some ideas on how to make ourselves beautiful in the most easy way. So today's look is Lips Like 1995 makeup look. Continue watching if you want to learn more. To start, I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. For my liquid foundation, I am going to be using this Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. The shade for this one is Warm Linen 2W2. I might be the last one trying this liquid foundation, but I totally get it. Why beauty influencers are crazy about this liquid foundation. This is a buildable foundation and it gives like a natural skin finish. And I'm using the IT Cosmetics foundation brush to blend it on my skin. As long as you know how to play with it, you can really achieve a flawless skin finish. Then I use my damp beauty sponge to just smoothen it up. I mean, this is now one of my favorite liquid foundation. And then I am going to use this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. The shade for this one is Tender Rose. This is just to help set my foundation. And then for my brow liner, I am going to be using this deep brown brow liner from Maybelline. Drawing my eyebrow can be sometimes challenging. And I learned that if I'm going to put like pressure in my eyebrow liner, it will give like a thicker effect. And if I can hold it on the half part of the eyebrow liner, I can just easily control it. And then to give like a perfect shape and to clean it up, I am going to use this Kat Von D concealer. The shade for this one is light number 18. And I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow primer. Then for my concealer, I am going to be using this Gucci Breathable Liquid Foundation. I have been using this one as my concealer and I just realized that this is a liquid foundation. It actually works since it's lighter than my skin tone. I don't want to get crazy with my eyeshadows, so I'm going to be using this Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze in shade 10. And I'm going to apply it just on the crease of my eyes. And then I'm going to cut the crease using the Kat Von D concealer. Again, the shade for this one is light number 18. I always use a flat padded brush to just perfectly and seamlessly cut the crease of my eyes. And I use the same bronzer to contour my nose. Then for my liquid eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Ultra Black Liquid Eyeliner. Since this makeup is more of like focusing on my lips, I am not going to get crazy about applying my liquid eyeliner and creating a cat's eye. As much as I can, I am going to make it as simple as possible, and I am also going to do it the same on the other side of my eyes too. To give like a perfect illusion of bigger eyes, I am going to use this Norvina black eyeliner just to apply it on the upper waterline. Then I will contour my face using this Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze. The shade again for this one is 10. To give like a perfect contour, I am going to apply it under my cheekbone, the temple of my head, and then under my jawline too. Then for my blush on, I am going to use this Bare Minerals blush. The shade for this one is You Had Me at Merlot. One of my favorite powder blush because a little goes a long way, and look how beautiful that is. And then I'm going to use this MAC Cosmetics eyeliner pencil in Gruff Black just under my waterline. Then using this Maybelline Tattoo Eye Sticks in I Am Determined just on my waterline. And then I'm going to use this Rare Beauty Positive Light Highlighter. The shade for this one is Mesmerize. I love this highlighter because just one swipe, it gives like a beautiful shine. Then for my setting spray, I'm using this Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish setting spray. And then time for falsies from Ardell. This is a Mink Lashes and it's a lighter falsies right now because I don't want to get crazy with my eyes because again, I'm focusing more on my lips. Then for my lip liner, I am going to use this LA Girls lip liner in Relentless Red. This will give like a perfect shape of my lips and also a perfect guide for me to where I am going to apply my liquid lipstick. This lip liner is super creamy and super inexpensive, and just a little tiny swipe, it gives like a beautiful, nice line on your lips. Then for my liquid lipstick, I am going to use this Maybelline Super Ink Matte Lipstick in shade 340 Accelerator. This lipstick is super matte and it's perfect for Valentine's date, as long as you're kissing someone with an oil-free lips. Here's the final look, beautiful people. I hope you like my video, and I also hope that you guys get a little inspiration to make yourselves beautiful. And by the way, shout out to Vigorous Hairstyle for sending me this fake bangs. This is made of real hair. Check out my TikTok videos to learn more on how I apply this fake bangs and also how you can purchase it. And thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and let's all not forget to spread love and kindness. Enjoy my video and you use this as an inspiration. And I will see you all on the next